Jungle.
Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English Made Easy Hub, the channel where learning English is simple, practical, and real.
Hi everyone, I'm Anna.
And I'm Jack. We're very happy to have you with us today.
If you are new here, welcome, and if you are returning, thank you for learning English with us again.
Before we begin, please like this episode, subscribe to English Made Easy Hub, and share it with someone who is learning English.
Today's topic is very special.
Yes, today we are talking about something that quietly controls your whole life.
Your future self.
Not science fiction, not time travel.
Just you. 1 year from now, 5 years from now, 10 years from now.
The person you are becoming.
Jack. When people hear future self, what do they usually imagine?
They imagine an older version of themselves. Maybe smarter, maybe richer, maybe healthier.
Or maybe tired, maybe stressed, maybe disappointed.
Exactly. The future version is not automatically better.
He or she is built.
Built by daily actions,
Not by dreams,
not by talking.
but by what you repeatedly do.
Most people don't design their future.
They drift into it,
They live on automatic mode.
wake up, phone, work, food, phone, sleep.
And one day they wake up older and ask, how did I get here?
That's a dangerous question.
Because the answer is simple.
Daily choices,
Tiny decisions.
repeated for years.
And today we want to interrupt that automatic life.
We want you to think.
We want you to choose.
We want you to build.
Let's start with a hard truth.
Your future self is not coming to save you.
No one is coming.
There is no perfect Monday,
No perfect new year.
no perfect mood,
There is only today.
and what you do with it.
Most people are very kind to others.
They help friends,
They support family,
they give advice,
but they are careless with themselves.
they lie to themselves.
I'll start tomorrow.
I'll be serious next month.
I'll fix my life someday.
But someday is not a date.
And tomorrow is not promised.
Your future self is sitting quietly, waiting.
He lives inside your daily routine.
If your days are lazy, your future is weak.
If your days are focused, your future is strong.
This is not motivation.
This is cause and effect,
Let's talk about English.
because that's why many of you are here.
Many learners say, I understand English, but I can't speak.
Or, I've been learning for years, but I'm still not good.
Here is the uncomfortable truth.
Time alone does nothing.
Years mean nothing.
Only practice changes ability.
10 minutes a day beats 0 minutes for 10 years.
If you study 20 minutes every day,
Reading, listening, repeating.
after 1 year, you are not the same person.
Your ears change.
Your mouth changes,
Your confidence changes.
and future you says, thank you for not quitting when it was boring.
Most people wait to feel motivated.
That's childish.
Serious people build systems.
They don't ask, do I feel like it?
They ask, when will I do it?
Motivation is a visitor.
Discipline is a resident.
Your future self is built by what you do when you don't feel like it,
When you are tired.
when you are bored.
When no one is watching.
That is the real work.
Let's talk about comfort.
Comfort is the greatest liar.
It whispers, Rest, tomorrow is fine.
It says just this once.
But comfort has no long-term plan.
Comfort only cares about now.
Growth lives in discomfort.
Learning is uncomfortable.
Exercise is uncomfortable.
Saving money is uncomfortable.
Telling yourself the truth is uncomfortable.
But discomfort is the gym of the mind.
It strengthens you.
Avoiding discomfort weakens you.
Every easy life becomes hard.
Every hard life becomes easy.
Look at health.
Two people, same age.
One moves, drinks water, sleeps well.
The other eats anything, never moves, sleeps late.
10 years later, they live in different bodies,
Same time.
different results.
The difference was not one big decision.
It was daily behavior.
Your future body is being built today.
Your future mind is being trained today.
Your future confidence is being practiced today.
And here is a powerful way to think.
Everything good you do today is a gift.
A gift to your future self.
When you study, you send a gift.
When you walk, you send a gift.
When you save money, you send a gift.
When you stop scrolling and start focusing, you send a gift.
You are not suffering.
You are investing.
Your future self is your greatest project.
And your daily routine is the blueprint.
Now let's talk about a mistake many people make.
They look at the whole mountain.
I want to be fluent.
I want to be rich.
I want to be confident.
And they freeze.
The brain sees danger.
So it escapes.
To the phone.
To sleep.
To entertainment.
Wrong approach.
Don't look at the mountain.
Look at the step.
1 page.
5 words.
10 minutes.
1 walk.
Small steps remove fear.
Small steps create consistency.
Consistency builds identity.
You don't become an English speaker by wishing.
You become one by speaking daily.
You don't become healthy by watching fitness videos.
You become healthy by moving your body.
Identity comes from evidence.
From what you repeatedly prove to yourself.
I am the kind of person who...
does not break promises to himself.
Now think about your phone.
We must be honest.
Phones are not tools anymore.
They are traps.
People say they don't have time.
But they scroll 1 hour,
2 hours.
3 hours.
That is not rest.
That is avoidance.
Your future self is not built on distraction.
He is built on focus.
Focus is power.
And power builds options.
Here is a simple daily rule.
Every day, do something for your mind.
Read, listen, learn.
Every day, do something for your body.
Walk, stretch, move.
Every day, do something for your future.
Practice, save, build.
Not perfectly,
but consistently.
Because time will pass anyway.
Next year will come.
Whether you train or not.
Whether you study or not.
Whether you grow or not.
The only difference is who you become.
And that person is being created right now. Your life does not change when your goals change.
It changes when your standards change.
Many people set goals.
Very few people set rules for themselves.
A goal is something you hope to reach.
A standard is something you refuse to break.
For example,
I want to learn English is a goal.
I study English every day is a standard.
Goals are emotional.
Standards are structural.
Your future self is built on standards.
Not wishes.
Let's talk about discipline.
Discipline is misunderstood.
People think it means being hard.
Being strict.
Being miserable.
Wrong.
Discipline means choosing what you want most over what you want now.
It is self-respect.
It is saying, my future matters.
Every time you keep a small promise to yourself, your confidence grows.
Every time you break it, it shrinks.
Confidence is not personality.
It is evidence.
Your future self is confident if today you is reliable.
And now let's talk about a silent enemy.
Mental traps.
The first trap is I have time.
No, you have today.
The second trap is I'll start when
I'm motivated,
life is calm.
when I have more time.
That day rarely comes.
The third trap is comparison.
Looking at others instead of building yourself.
Your only competition is your past behavior.
Another trap is perfection.
People wait to do it perfectly.
So they don't do it at all.
Future builders choose progress.
Not perfection.
Now let's do something powerful.
A future exercise.
If you are not driving, close your eyes.
Imagine yourself 5 years from now.
Where are you living?
How is your health?
How's your English?
How do you feel waking up?
Now imagine the opposite.
The future where you didn't change.
Same habits,
Same excuses.
same distractions.
Which future needs today to be different?
Your daily actions are a vote.
A vote for the person you are becoming.
Now let's make this practical.
Your future self is not built by motivation speeches.
He is built by systems.
A system is a simple, repeatable structure.
For example,
Same time,
same place,
same small action.
no thinking.
No negotiating.
Systems remove emotion.
They protect you from yourself.
Here's a simple example.
After dinner, I study English for 15 minutes.
Not if I feel like it.
Not if I have time.
After dinner, period.
Your future self loves systems.
Because they work even when you are tired.
Another truth.
Environment beats willpower.
If your phone is on your bed, you will scroll.
If your book is on your bed, you will read.
Design your space.
Design your time.
Design your future.
Let's talk about money again.
Because money is frozen time.
It represents hours of your life.
Spending carelessly is forgetting your future.
Saving intentionally is respecting it.
Future you needs options.
Options come from preparation.
Now let's talk about something emotional.
Fear,
Fear of failing.
fear of looking stupid.
Fear of starting.
Your future self is built by facing small fears,
Speaking one sentence.
going for one walk.
Saving one small amount.
Courage is not loud.
It is daily.
And finally, remember this.
You will never arrive.
There is no final version.
There is only direction.
Are you moving forward?
Or repeating yesterday.
Your future self is not waiting for a big moment.
He is watching small ones.
So today, choose one action
One real action.
and do it.
Then repeat tomorrow.
That is how futures are built.
Thank you for learning with us at English Made Easy Hub.
If this helped you, like, subscribe, and share.
And ask yourself tonight,
What did I do today for my future self?